Good evening. City leaders say it's a fight to improve housing conditions for renters in Wichita. The city council will be debating a proposed plan to hold landlords more accountable. As Cake's Carolina Loera reports, some leaders say more time is needed, while others say renters simply can't wait any longer.
After more than a decade in her home, Renee Carrion never expected an eviction notice on her door.
When I came over here, just sitting on the steps, right there, and just crying and crying and crying. I'm just like, I can't believe this happened to us.
She says her daughter dealt with mold and raccoons in the attic, and repairs were ignored. And for years, she decided to stay quiet out of fear.
But things kept falling apart, and just seemed like nothing was going to get done. I was scared because I knew that I could call the city, but what if he retaliates?
It's stories like hers driving a push at City Hall, where leaders are set to debate new rules meant to hold landlords more accountable for unsafe or neglected properties.
We've heard from landlords who've had bad tenants that have caused thousands of dollars in damage to properties. We've also heard of bad landlords that have not been able to mitigate some of the safety concerns.
Mayor Lily Wu says the city should slow down to provide more feedback from stakeholders.
Those are the tenants, those are the landlords, those are the property owners. And so I really want to make sure that we do this in a way that is fair, but also provides enough feedback. We want engagement from this community.
But Councilmember Brandon Johnson, who helped draft our proposal, says renters have waited long enough.
And how long are we going to continue to look people in the eye and tell them that them and their kids don't matter and the situations that they're living in doesn't matter? Why do we continue to wait? 30 days, 60 days, 90 days truly is too long.
The realtors of South Central Kansas also saying they support safe housing for all residents, but warn the current proposal could increase costs and reduce housing supply if rushed. They're asking the city to delay the vote for 90 days.
We believe that that would be adequate time to bring together landlords, tenants, and other housing experts so we can get the right solutions addressed.
For renters like Renee, it's about more than just policy.
I can imagine people even lived in those conditions. And then I'm like, why isn't anybody doing anything about it? I said, you cannot tell me nothing can be done.
In Wichita, Carolina Loera, Cake News on your side.